So space for attaching things is a bit awkward on the SRGT. You have the brake reservoirs which get in the way, and then the very large sort of central pillar attachment here. So there's not a lot of room for attaching things. So I've decided to put a bar across. Now these bars come as a stock 30 centimetres is the shortest I can find. They seem to all be 30 centimetres, and a 30 centimetre bar is too long. So my advice, if you want to do this came from AliExpress. It was about a tenner, I think. Get one that screws in at both ends, because this screws into the main bar and there's a long screw thread, same at that end. So just unscrew both of them, cut the central bar by 1.5 centimetres or 15 mil each side, cut the screw on this bit by 15 mil, screw it back in again both sides, and it will fit perfectly across the handlebars. Ideal for cameras, if you want a camera facing you so you can video yourself riding. Obviously mobile phone mounts, anything you want. Cheap little addition, makes adding things on a little bit more practical.